Hello? 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 Hello?
You alright there?
Oh, hello there. Sorry to bother you. It might sound a bit of a random thing, but it's alright if I photograph the front of your...
The 275 or GT?
Well, the whole front.
Yeah, what's that for?
Just for me.
Yeah, that's great.
Just an amateur photographer. I just find it fascinating that you come along here and you've got all these cars stacked on top of each other. Is that alright?
Yeah, just come on through.
Not to break in. It's stuck here. Hang on a sec. Hello there.
All right.
I'm Trevor. I come past here quite a bit and I've noticed the front of your building. If it'd be right if I photograph it?
Yeah, cool.
Is that all right?
Put them on the internet, that's fine.
Yeah, okay.
Carry on.
It fascinates me. I come by and you come to and you see these cars stacked up.
Yes. We're trying to tidy up.
Oh, okay.
Enforced tidying up. So.
Looks like you got your work cut out.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right, well, thanks very much.
No worries.
Hi everybody, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Long time no see. As you can see, I'm back out on the old bike. I haven't been out on it much, to be honest, the last few months because the weather's been so bad. But now it's drying up, it's a bit warmer. Back out on the bike and taking photographs as well. It's a funny old video today because all I've been doing is just riding around with a bike. There's been a couple of places I've kind of pinpointed, if you like, to photograph. And I went over to a place, I call it Moreton, I think it's called Morton. And it's where there's a nice coffee shop there, which is really nice. And also it's where T.E. Lawrence is buried, Lawrence of Arabia, more famously known as. And yeah, he was killed on his motorbike up near there, and he lived up around there as well. So yeah, so he's laid to rest there. But yeah, just been riding around the bike, just see something, take a photograph of it. There was one place I went to, I've actually seen it a few times, I rode past it a few times, and it's kind of unusual, kind of driving on the road and suddenly you come across, I think it's an old petrol station, and outside's all these cars that are stacked up. Anyway, I didn't like to just kind of stand and take photographs, so I went inside and introduced myself to the owner and said, you don't mind if I take some photographs of the front of your building. And yeah, what they do is they do like these shells, fiberglass shells for, I'm not quite sure what car it is, but it looks like a kind of sporty car. But what I wish I'd done, because inside was quite quirky as well, and I wish I'd taken some photographs inside, but I didn't really have the bottle to ask for that as well. But anyways, so yeah, back out on the bike, back out with the camera, having a nice time, getting away from it all, and just enjoying the weather really. So I hope you're able to get out with your camera or out on your bike or whatever and just start enjoying the nice weather. Obviously down here, down in Dorset, it'll start getting busy now. It's Easter next weekend. So once those kind of holidays start kicking in, you get a lot more tourists and everything starts getting a bit more busy. But other than that, you know, people come down here, enjoy themselves, have a nice time. That's what it's all about. Yeah, so with that, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm not quite sure what it's going to be like. I've tried to sort of do some video on my bike and all that as well, but I don't know how it's all gone. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, maybe give it a good old thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, maybe subscribe to the channel, that'd be nice. Anyways, all it leaves me to say is take care of yourselves, look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.